The world didn't end with a bang, it stopped with a glitch. At first, no one noticed. A traffic light froze. A bank server stopped responding. Then, within hours, entire cities went offline. No power. No communication. Just silence. But the strangest part wasn't the failure, it was the disappearance. Every developer, gone. No messages. No warnings. Just empty chairs and abandoned codebases. You wake up to the faint glow of your laptop screen. Somehow, it's still on. A single line flashes. Systems failing. No developers detected. Your heart starts racing. You try your phone, no signal. The internet? Dead. Outside, people are confused, scared, but they don't understand yet. You do. You rush back to your laptop. If every system is failing, maybe some are still reachable. Barely alive. Waiting. Your fingers hover over the keyboard. You remember Python. It feels small, almost meaningless against something this big. But right now, it's the only thing you have. You open Visual Studio Code. The screen flickers. One local power system is still responding, but weak. Unstable. You take a deep breath, and type your first line of code. For a second, nothing happens. Then suddenly, lights flicker. Somewhere in the distance, a building comes back to life. You freeze. It worked. That one line of code did that. This isn't just survival anymore. This is control. You look back at your screen, and for a moment, there's hope. But then, the message changes. Unauthorized access detected. Your breath stops. Because you didn't write that. Which means only one thing. You're not the only one still coding. Because if you're not the only developer left, then who just accessed the system?